Aloha! Today we're going to learn a new mele called Kūkuluokalani, the Hawaiian Star Compass, created by Noah Thompson. There are 4 wind names in Kūkuluokalani. The first one is Ko'olau in the northeast, Malanai in the southeast, Kona in the southwest, and Ho'olua in the northwest. There are 32 star houses in Kūkuluokalani, and 7 of those houses repeat in each quadrant.
The first motion is La, which is sun. The second motion is Aina, which is land. The third one is the Noyo bird, that will guide the navigators to land. The second is Manu. Then we got Nalani, which is the heavens. Next one is Nalea, which is the voice. And the last one is Haka, or empty. Ai, Kūkuluokalani ha. La, aina noyo manula. Aina noyo manula. Aina noyo manu. Na lani na leo haka.